Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello, good morning student. Today we are going to learn the ninth chapter of 10th standard social science, forest and wildlife resources. Dear students, in this lesson we are going to study the deforestation and its impact. Dear students, as we know that our development increases day by day. Human beings increases the development day by day, and due to this increase in development, we have polluted the environment most. Deforestation is one of the problem of this. Dear students, today we are going to learn the deforestation. Now, what is this deforestation? Deforestation means the destruction of a forest. As we know that our needs are increasing day by day, we use more and more things on the woods, and due to this, the demand of wood increases. To reach those demands, we have to cut more and more trees. And for the trees, we have to depend on the forest. Beside needs, our habitations that is increasing, and for that we have to cut the forest. So the destruction of the forest are due to our increasing needs, our development. But dear students, here we have the question: is our development more important than our environment? अगर इस तरह से डेवलपमेंट ही हम करते जाएंगे तो हमारे नेचर का क्या होगा? It's not the problem of our own countries, but it's a problem of many countries. Actually, the whole world is facing the problem of the deforestation, and that is why it becomes the global problem. The students, it is said that the deforestation is the result of progress of man. The man progressing day by day, and due to that progress, the deforestation that is increasing day by day. Today we don't know the problems, but our future generation will face the problem of this deforestation. What are the impact? Now let's look at the impact of the deforestation. What will the impact of deforestation on our generations and in our future generations? See, if we cut more and more trees, that means the first result, it increases the carbon dioxide in the nature. It reduces the oxygen level and increase the carbon dioxide. Due to this increase in carbon dioxide, the greenhouse effect that more intense, it becomes more intense. The temperature of our globe that is increasing due to this carbon dioxide. Much problems that is increasing. Living organisms, the another problems that facing the living organism, the animals, those are living into the forest. Due to the deforestation, they would have to come into the urban areas. And when they enter into the urban areas, then they attack on our pet animals, they attack on the human beings, and another problem faces. the wild animal then approaching into the urban areas. So this is the problem of the deforestation, the impact of it. Besides this, these animals they kill the carnivores, and due to this, the balance, eco-balance, that is disturbing. Dear students, these are the only few impact that we have seen due to the deforestation. Then, what will have to do to maintain it? We have to see the remedies of the deforestation. इसका हल क्या है? Deforestation का हल क्या है वहाँ? तो the simple ones, the first one that we have to grow, we have to plant more and more trees. If we plant more and more trees, that means the oxygen level will increase, the carbon dioxide level will decrease, and due to this, we and our future generations have the fresh air. If the air is fresh, then we become more healthy, and we would have to stop other expenses we have to spend. Another thing, the industries which are using raw materials of the forest, they are compelled to grow more and more trees. Dear student, as we know that industries need raw materials and we get raw materials from the forest. So we have to compare those industries, those who use the raw material depend on the forest. And if they are not, we have to punish them, levy heavy penalties on them. Another, the public awareness program should be increased. We have to aware the public about the deforestation and its impact. If the public are aware, then we would do something for it. If we are aware, we would stop using the woods, we are stop cutting the trees, and by this way, we would help for it. Now next about the syllabus of school and the colleges. We would have to use the topic of our forest and the wildlife resources into our syllabus. We have to explain to the students about the importance of the forest and the trees. And if the student will understand, in future they would stop using this. Another thing is plant more and more trees. As we know that we have applied the system tree plantation programs every year, and by this way we plant more and more trees. This is one of the attempts. Second one, today into the villages, rural areas, we use the woods for the fire. We use firewoods for our household needs. We have to use this. We have to change these things. We have to use other alternatives of the woods, just like the solar energy, wind energy, and etc. So dear students, this another things, the forest fire that causes a lot of to the second one, the transportations into the forest increases today day by day. Due to this transportation into the forest, that decrease the trees, and we would have to limitations of this transportation into the forest. Actually, we would have to demarcate it and fix the certain areas that in which any human interference must be restricted. Dear students, these are the impact and the remedies of the deforestation. So dear students, at last we would have to save the trees. If we save trees, trees will save us and our future generations.